How much money is your life worth? For Vietnamese tycoon Truong My Lan, it has come down to a little over $9 billion. The 68-year-old is facing the death penalty for masterminding the world's biggest bank fraud, but her life could still be spared if she pays back 3/4 of the assets that she has embezzled. A Vietnamese court on Tuesday, in fact, upheld the death penalty to Lan. Earlier this year, she was convicted of swindling money from Saigon Commercial Bank, SCB, worth $27 billion, which prosecutors said that she controlled. Of these, $12 billion judged to have been embezzled. The most serious financial crime for which she was sentenced to death. She appealed the verdict in a month-long trial. However, the court determined that there was no basis to reduce the death sentence. However, there is still a chance for her to escape the death penalty. The court has said that if she returns 3/4 of the stolen assets, her sentence could actually be reduced to life imprisonment. Lan has earlier told the court that the quickest way to repay the stolen funds would be to liquidate SCB and sell the assets to repay the State Bank of Vietnam and the people. Tens of thousands of people who invested their savings in banks lost money, prompting rare protests from the victims. Lan owned just 5% of shares in SCB on paper. But at her trial, the court concluded that she effectively controlled more than 90% through family, friends, and staff. The State Bank said in April that it pumped funds into SCB to stabilize it without revealing how much. The assets owned by Lan and her group include a shopping mall, a harbour, and luxurious housing complexes, reportedly. In fact, during her first trial in April, Lan was found guilty of embezzling $12.5 billion. But prosecutors said the total damages caused by the scam amounted to $27 billion, equivalent to around 6% of the country's 2023 GDP. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.